Hi everyone, so this is my next video on sticky chicken wings. This is a quick video that I made the other day. I was cooking this and I thought, hey, this is a really good idea with simple ingredients. So I did some minced chopped garlic, just a couple of cloves, and I added some runny honey to it. So this was like local honey, any runny honey is fine. Add in some soy sauce in there with that. I've got gluten-free soy sauce here, but you can use normal dark soy sauce. I think works really well. It gives it that lovely kind of dark caramelized flavor to the chicken wing. So I go with dark soy sauce. So give that all a good mix really well to make it into marinade. So you can kind of see it loosens it up, and that honey is really tasty in there. So next thing, you add in some tomato ketchup. So everyone hopefully has got some ketchup still at home, so you can use tomato ketchup or use tomato puree if you have, but then again it's not essential and it's fine without if you haven't got any tomato ketchup. So you just mix it all really well together and just make sure it's all really nice and smooth, and then you've got your chicken wings. So with your chicken wings, you want to pour the marinade over the chicken wings. So what you do is you just take your marinade and massage it all into the chicken wings, and I just use my hands to get dirty and just mix it all in really well. So make sure every part of those chicken wings are covered with that soy sauce mix, and the honey just kind of clings onto it. So rub the marinade into the chicken wings and then pop it in the fridge to marinate for about an hour, or overnight if you can, that's great, but if not, that's fine. Pop it into the oven, let it bake for about an hour, turning halfway through, and when you're turning it over, just baste those juices on the chicken wings to keep it really juicy and moist as well. So I kind of just do that halfway through, and after, when it's cooked, the meat literally kind of pulls apart really easily. So it's done, looking good, and you can just have this as it is, just like that, pile it onto a plate and just eat it straight away. Or you can have it with rice or like veg, that's fine, or even coleslaw. If you get some cabbage, you can make up some coleslaw, which goes really well with these. So those extra juices in the pan, I just wouldn't waste it, so I would just pour it over the chicken, and that kind of keeps it really moist as well. So just don't waste those juices, it's really tasty. And so just pour it over, and it's really nice with white rice, just simple white rice. So I served it with egg fried rice on this occasion with some sauteed greens, which was really good. So hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and like and